Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an upcoming all-electric muscle car that blends classic performance with modern electric technology. Featuring aggressive styling, powerful electric drivetrains, and high-performance capabilities, it aims to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embracing a new era of sustainable power.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.